Okay. So this session is also going to be recorded, and in case in the meanwhile, if you get any queries, you can let me know. Okay, Shaina?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So anyhow, as we have discussed, but this thing is not being recorded, I guess. So parallelly, we'll go with it, and then we'll try to figure out this thing. Okay. So nightmare. What actually the meaning of nightmare? Nightmare means bad,
Around
yes,
bad
bad
dream.
dream, or even you can say डरावने
Sapna.
सपने. Fine. Now, here we go. What we actually do is, in case of this, I mean, how we got this word. So, nightmare, it is made of two words, night plus
Mare.
mare, right? So, night is actually night, but mare has two meanings. One is female horse, okay?
Yes.
Female horse is also known as mare, but this nightmare is not related to female horse. It comes from German mythology. Fine. In German mythology, the root word was Mara or Mare. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Visible? I hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So Mara or Mare, which means, let me. Oh, sorry. Think Bunty he had some. Okay, fine. So Mara or Mer means evil spirit. I repeat, it means evil spirit. Spirit, spirit means Atma. So evil spirit, it means Buri Atma.
Yes.
Okay. So from
Yes.
there we got this. So in the night, in the past, people they believed that those who have this kind of dreams, so they were actually haunted by or some bad, okay, some bad spirit. Oh, sorry, not working. Oh, it's working now. Okay, so they believed that some bad spirit might be haunting in the night. Why? Because it was not scientifically proved, or science was not that developed. So they only believed that those who had bad dreams, it means some evil spirit, some demon, like shaitan, it
Yes.
was attacking them. And from there we got this word nightmare. So is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now let's go ahead with our next word, ostracize. What is the meaning of ostracize? Okay. Ostracize means to exclude or to remove someone. I repeat, to remove someone from the village or society. To remove someone from village or society. Like you might have watched the movie Suryavamsham, right?
Yes.
In that, the hero he was removed from his own home. Okay. In the same
Yes.
way, why? Because he has done some mistake. Due to that, he was removed. Now, it means in Hindi also we can say किसी को उसके गांव से निकाल देना, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, उसके like सोसाइटी और गांव से निकालना. Hope you are able to read Hindi as well, right? Okay, sure. So
Yes.
now, so from where we got this word? In the past, in particularly in the Greece, actually, in Greece, they all believed that they don't want dictatorship, means kings. They don't want one person to rule. So always they followed that we want political system. And from there we got democracy. Democracy means today's leaders, how we have. So every year they used to do one thing. Every year, what they used to do, they used to vote like a person. I mean, all the village people, they used to vote a person whom they feel that he is being powerful. मतलब जो कोई उनको लगता है कि ये पावरफुल है, ओके,
Yes.
उनको वोट करते नहीं थे. एक्चुअली दे यूज्ड टू राइट देयर नेम्स, whosoever they feel that this person is becoming so powerful. If they feel so, they used to write his or her name on a pot, broken pot, टूटे हुए घड़े के उस पे. वाई? बिकॉज पेपर्स वर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव देन. सो ब्रोकन पॉट पे लिखते थे. एंड दोज ब्रोकन पॉट्स वर नेम एज ऑस्ट्रोकैन. Okay, so after writing their names, they were removed from that place or that village. So from there we got this word ostracize. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next is clue. Did I tell the story behind this? No, I guess.
No, sir.
Okay. Clue means hint. As we say,
No hint.
okay, कुछ clue तो दे देते, right? So
Yes.
giving a hint. Okay. So how we got this word? Let me tell you. This word is derived from German mythology. There was a king whose name was Theseus. He decided to kill a monster. You know, monster, Rakshas. He decided to kill a monster, and that monster was living in a cave. But in order to get into the cave, which was very dark and very big, so it was difficult for him to go. So then the princess over there, what she did, she gave him a clue. What is this clue? Clue means a big ball of thread.
Hint.
No, big ball of thread. Clue in actual past, it is known as thread. Thread, like woolen thread, जो स्वेटर बेलते हैं, उसका ball,
Yes, sir.
like this. Okay, so who gave? The princess. She gave to whom? To Theseus, the king. Why she gave? So that if he goes through the cave, she has to, okay, like he has to tie at the entrance. Okay, has to tie at the entrance, and then he can get inside that cave by tying. So as he took that clue, that is ball of thread, and एंट्रेंस के बाद एंट्रेंस के पास उन्होंने बांध दिया, आई मीन दिस किंग, एंड वे जाते रहे, एंड देन फाइनली ही किल्ड द मॉन्स्टर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सेम थ्रेड ही केम बैक. टिल हियर इट्स क्लियर.
Yes,
So
sir.
that clue was acting as a hint or guide, okay, to come out of that cave. So from there we got the word clue, but slowly it changed due to spelling. It changed to clue. From Greece to English, it became clue. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till here, any queries? Nightmare, ostracize, clue. Did you get now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is
Yes, sir.
quarantine. Have you heard this word? Quarantine? No?
No, sir.
Quarantine. In the COVID, actually quarantine. Okay, I'll tell you. Have you heard that during COVID, if someone gets COVID, then they have to stay for 30 days, 40 days in the same room. उनको बाहर नहीं निकालने
Yes,
दिया जाता, right? So that is known as quarantine. It means isolation, means making someone to stay in the same room, and they were provided food, water, everything. सब कुछ उनको घर पे ही रहना रह के करना था. Do you remember
yes,
COVID 2019 में?
yes,
Okay. So how we got this word quarantine? Let me tell you. Quarantine means staying in the same room and not allowing to come outside. Fine.
Yes.
So what actually it happened? Let me tell you. In the past, actually in the 14th century, in the 14th century, in Europe, okay, in Europe, the
Yes.
trade or business was going on. Okay, this business was
Yes.
going on, and then business was going through, not through trains were not there, aeroplanes were not there. Then what was there? Kya tha us समय? There were only ships.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so they used to do the business through ships. Fine. So at the same time, there was one disease like COVID. It was known as Black Plague. People were dying due to this. मतलब लोग मर रहे थे, डेथ हो रहे थे, राइट.
Yes.
So what the instruction was passed कि those who come through the ships, लैंड पे उतरने से पहले, बिफोर द लैंड ऑन टू, okay, before they land, they have to stay on the ship for how many days? 40 days. 40 दिन तक उन्हें शिप पे रहना पड़ेगा. क्यों?
Yes.
Because in case if they have black plague, then they will die. If they don't have, then they will come safely. So this 40 in Latin, I mean in the Latin language, is known as quanta or quarantana. So from this quanta or quarantana, we got the word quarantine. Even you might have heard quadrilateral. Have you heard quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, it means four sides. In the same way, in the past, I mean in the Latin, we have quant. Quant means 40. So in the past, they were asked to stay for 40 days. So from there, we got this word quarantine. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next, last one, disaster. You know what is the meaning of disaster?
No, sir.
Disaster means very bad. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, बहुत बुरा, सॉरी,
Yes.
बुरा होना. और like for example, due to tsunami, all the buildings, everything got collapsed, right? So this
Yes.
means bad. Aster means star. So bura tara, does it have any meaning? No. So in the past, what people they believed that if anything bad which is happening to someone, I repeat, if anything bad happens to someone, so they believed that it is only
Yes.
happening due to the bad star. In the
Touch.
past, they only believed stars. So they believed, okay, this thing, ये चीज हमारे साथ बुरा हो रहा है, यानी कि जो तारे हैं वे बुरे चल रहे हैं. लाइक nowadays we say हमारा टाइम बुरा चल रहा है, राइट. इन द सेम वे दे बिलीव्ड दैट
Touch.
ये सब
Touch.
उन तारों की वजह से हो रहा है, ड्यू टू स्टार. ओके, so now you understood this disaster.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sure. Now let me tell you a few more things. Have you gone through, instead of saying next day, you should not say next day, what we have to say? Did I tell you that don't use next day? You have not watched this? Yeah, Shaina,
Yes, sir.
ये वाला नहीं देखे हो आज?
ये
नेक्स्ट डे
वाला
नहीं बोल के क्या बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं,
ओके,
नहीं
फॉलोइंग
सर.
डे. ओके, कौन सा वाला देखे हो आज? विच वन यू हैव वॉच्ड? ओके,
यस
सो
सर,
यू कैन
ये
जस्ट,
एक बाइक कॉर्ट वाला देखी थी और एक
विच वन?
और देखी, पर ये वाला नहीं देखी. डोंट यूज.
Okay, okay, fine. So, like in tomorrow's session, what I'll do, just watch today. Almost 5 to 6 I have posted today in Hindi and English both. And in the
Yes,
meanwhile, just watch this also. Okay. And tomorrow I'll explain few more vocabs. Fine. This one I'll
Yes, to
upload. So this one I'll upload. You can watch that. Fine.
oh,
Okay. If you get any queries, let me know. So any doubt so far?
no,
Yes.